Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Apple ID and confirming the iCloud backup you want. This is essential because the restore ties to that account. Once signed in, make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi network and connected to power so the transfer won't stop. If the phone is already in use, you'll need to erase it to reach Setup Assistant. If it's new or reset, proceed directly to Restore from iCloud Backup to begin the transfer. You'll choose Restore from iCloud Backup during setup and then select the backup by date and device name. That selects the exact snapshot you want. Once you confirm, re-enter your Apple ID credentials when prompted to unlock encrypted data like passwords and health. The download happens in phases: core settings first, then apps, then large media, so be patient and keep the device plugged in and on Wi-Fi. If you close the screen, the process will continue, but more slowly. Once the restore completes, you'll still need to sign back into some apps and wait for photos, music, and messages to finish syncing. That can take hours depending on size. If the process stalls, reboot the device and verify Wi-Fi quality. Switching to another reliable network often fixes long pauses. If repeated attempts fail, erase the device and restart the restore. And if problems persist, note the backup date and contact Apple support for guided recovery using that backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.